Okay, this should be working. Okay. Okay, there we go. What? I'm stuck. Spider-Man does what I wish, but I can't. Ow. Okay, so I haven't spoke a lot because I'm really trying, and so, I mean, this isn't really competitive, but hey, don't kill Blue. You're Blue. Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna go make my YouTube video somewhere else. Yeah, YouTube. Okay. Okay. And I think my dad just got home. Okay. You sure? I don't know what that was. Probably like me dying or something. Uh-oh. Okay, I want to try this. Don't. No. Man, come on. What the? I'm lying so hard. Wait a minute. Gotta look around. I just gotta make sure there's nothing like. Yahoo! Yahoo! You say. I'm real gorilla. Real gorilla use fists. Oh, nope, okay. I guess not. Ooh, okay. Oh, I had the slickest, it was like, I was in a, not competitive, but I was in a lobby, and I did something, I don't remember what it was, but I know I was branching, and I just kind of pulled a juke on someone, he fell to the ground. Oh yeah, and I made these people leave, because I was just kind of branching, then they just kind of all left, I don't know why. Guy didn't even say anything. Okay, I think I'm gonna end off this YouTube video here. And so, I think I'm gonna stream maybe today. I don't know, but so yeah, I will see if I'm going to stream. I might or I might not. So, I guess we'll see. If you do see me streaming, let me know that you watched this video. So, yeah. Gorilla Tag is fun. Okay, I'm probably not gonna say anything about that. But yeah. Gorilla Tag. Okay. Bye.